Okay, these brackets are very well designed. They are universal. You can see this is the top. It's actually marked top. And it's kind of got a nice shape to it. What's great about these brackets is this is for the cassette hanging. So you can tell the shape there. And they have a little flex to them, not a whole lot of flex, but they have just enough flex to them that you can pop in the cassette when you are mounting them at the top. These are great for inside or outside mount if you're using the cassette system. So they, I think, make the hanging of these blinds very simple. Even I can do them by myself. My husband and I worked on them for the last couple of days for some of our larger ones. That obviously I wasn't going to be very good at hanging by myself. So anyway, I just wanted to comment how nice I like the or how much I like the brackets. They're very nice, and recommend them when you order if you order the vinyl blackout or room darkening or not. Light filtering or whatever roller blind that you order. Those are the brackets you'll get if you order the cassette system. I highly recommend the cassette system if you can get it. Again, those longer windows, or wider windows I should say, you won't be able to get the cassette. I think it's a maximum of 96 inches. Ours was 101, so we couldn't get the cassette. So it looks a little plainer, and I'll show you that later, but it's still, they're nice looking blinds either way. So I got the fabric. Blackout is what we got. We were going to get the solar, but we decided that you could still see in on the solar, so it wasn't going to provide enough privacy. And quite frankly, if we're going to buy blinds and spend the money, we were going to make sure to get something that actually gave us privacy. So we went full blackout. We probably could have done room darkening. However, we did blackout. So anyway, I'm going to hang this, and then I'll take a picture and show you what it looks like.